How to redeem Gamestop gift card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem Gamestop gift card. For this, open up any web browser and head over to gamestop.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, explore the website and find the items that you want to purchase. Once you have found the item, click on it. Now go through all the details and then click on the Add to Cart option. Once all the items have been added to cart, you want to open your cart. If you have a promo code, you can enter your promo code from here. Click on the plus icon and then enter your promo code. Then click on the redeem option. Otherwise, you can click on the proceed to checkout option. Here, you will have to enter all of your shipping details such as your first name, last name, street address, zip code, city, state, phone number. Once you have entered all the shipping details, here on the payment section, click on the option of Add Gift Card or Trade in Credit. Once you click on this option, a box will appear and you want to enter your gift card code in there. Once you have entered it, click on the Apply option and that gift card will be applied. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.